If you're anything like me, Christmas baking's probably not your thing. Obviously, you got to help out around the house during the holidays. And so I have 3 quick steps to the best Christmas cookies around to help you out. Step 1, of course, you're going to need some ingredients. Eggs, need some butter. Sprinkles help, vanilla, of course, sugar, maybe some nuts, white powder, and you're going to need a few tools too, right? You got to have one of these, whatever that does, some spoons and a flat stir thing. And of course, you need one of these big machines that spins the stuff around. Step 2, got to look good on social media. Show everybody what a hero you are. So that means you got to have a picture. All right, step 3, most importantly, get in your car, head to Berlin, stop in at Flamingo Road Cookie Company, see my friend Kim Timmons? She's gonna hook you up, make you look great, and save you a ton of time. Merry Christmas.